Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated phones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This powerhouse brings some serious upgrades, and if you're wondering whether it's worth the hype, stick around. We've got everything you need to know, from its stunning display to its next-level camera setup. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is packing some serious punch. Let's break it down. First up, design. Samsung has clearly put a lot of thought into the S25 Ultra. With its premium materials and its signature sleek, modern look, it's not just a phone, it's a statement. The back's a frosted glass, so it feels smooth to the touch while resisting fingerprints, and of course, the display. It features a massive 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Trust me, once you see it, you'll never want to go back to anything else. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and the screen is so smooth, it's like butter. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3, so it's tougher than ever. Under the hood, this thing is an absolute beast. Powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, or Exynos depending on the region, paired with 12GB or 16GB of RAM, performance is top-notch. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing video, everything runs effortlessly. And speaking of gaming, this phone can handle the most demanding titles with no sweat. Even in heavy, graphically intense games, expect smooth performance with little to no lag. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The S25 Ultra takes mobile photography to another level with its quad camera setup. You've got a massive 200MP primary sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, 2 telephoto lenses, one for 3x optical zoom and one for 10x optical zoom, plus a laser autofocus system. The 200MP sensor. It's insane. You can zoom in without losing detail. Whether you're capturing a sunset, your dog, or a cityscape, every shot is sharp, detailed, and rich in color. And night mode? Also amazing. Low-light shots are brighter and cleaner than ever, and for video, the S25 Ultra can shoot in 8K at 30fps, which means you're future-proofed for super high-quality video. The stabilization is also next level, making even handheld shots look steady and smooth. Section 4 battery and charging 3 o'clock. Moving on to battery life, Samsung's packed a 5000 mAh battery inside. And with optimizations in the chip and software, you can expect all-day performance. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or just browsing, this phone has the juice to get you through a full day without stress. Show fast charging speeds, and when it's time to recharge, you've got 45W fast charging. In about 30 minutes, you're going to get a significant charge, so no more waiting around forever. Section 5 Software 345, running One UI 6 on top of Android 15, the S25 Ultra is smooth, customizable, and feature-rich. Samsung's One UI continues to improve, offering a clean, intuitive interface with lots of extra features like split-screen multitasking, and tons of customization options. It's also got long-term software support, so you can expect updates and security patches for years to come. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra worth it? If you're someone who values top-tier performance, camera quality, and an incredible display, then absolutely. This phone is a flagship in every sense of the word, and it's going to be hard to beat for the foreseeable future. Show the phone in different angles. Narrator, if you're still on the fence, make sure to leave your thoughts and questions down below. I'll be happy to help. And if you want to see more in-depth reviews or comparisons with other phones, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. End screen with subscribe button and video suggestions. Outro music. This script includes all the major features and functions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra while keeping it engaging for the audience. Adjust it based on the exact features of the phone or your own personal